Oh, well, I made this thing. I made bees vs birds, the ultimate ripoff, we should say. The ultimate battle is also coming soon. What that means is that bee swarm simulator versus bird simulator. Well, actually I don't like bird simulator that much, but I like bee swarm simulator that much. So I hope you guys will like this. That art I just did this. Well, there's no mini bosses in bird simulator. The only mini bosses are the spider and the mantis, I guess. Well, anyways, goodbye. Uh, please subscribe and like this video, and subscribe for this channel so you can get the notifications. We'll see you next time. Bye.